बोलते हैं। टैक्सोनॉमी जो है इसका जो अगर हम देखेंगे ये इसका फादर जो है वो है कैरोलस लीनियस। तो ये टैक्सोनॉमी, इसकी मदद से हम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में जो है क्लासिफाई करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इजीली ऑब्जर्वेबल कैरेक्टर्स। एंड इन टुडेज टैक्सोनॉमी, अगर हम टैक्सोनॉमी को देखेंगे, क्योंकि ये जो है कैरोलस लीनियस ने 1753 में जो टर्म यूज की है या बताई है, आज के ज़माने में जिसको हम मॉडर्न टैक्सोनॉमी बोलते हैं, उसमें पूरे जो कैरेक्टर्स क्या आता है, इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर भी आता है, इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर भी आता है, सेल स्ट्रक्चर, नेचर ऑफ सेल आता है, डेवलपमेंटल प्रोसेस आता है, इकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट आता है, इकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट और इकोलॉजिकल these relations, and these all characters, they form the modern taxonomy. That means in today's taxonomy, we actually care about all these features of an organism and then classify that organism into different category or into different level. Internal structure of an organism, that means anatomy. External structure, that means the morphological features, external forms, nature of cell, which type of cell it is, prokaryotic or eukaryotic, developmental processes, how these organisms develop into adults, ecological development, that means in environmental conditions, how they behave, how they appear, and these all form the basis of modern taxonomy, and this modern taxonomy, now we have some taxonomic categories. We do have some taxonomic categories, and these taxonomic categories, they have when we classify the living organisms into different categories, these categories, they are common to all living organisms. That means when lot of organisms are being studied, when their characters are being studied, and commonly some specific categories have been developed, and these categories which are particular for the classification of these organisms, these are known as taxonomic categories. And these taxonomic categories, these are common categories to organisms for classification. These are the common categories to organisms for classification based on some important characteristics based on some important characteristics. and these characteristics are particular to particular category. These characters are these characteristics are particular, or you can say specific to particular categories, or you can say category taxa. Particular to particular taxa are different. These characters are different for different taxa. And what are these characteristics? For different these taxa, so that the taxonomical categories, they have special type of features, and we can observe these features in particular living organisms and easily recognize the type of taxa. The the hierarchy of taxa is the hierarchy of taxa is the arrangement of taxonomical categories, in a spatial or in a particular manner. For example, the first taxonomical category, it is kingdom. It is the first taxonomical category or taxa. Then phylum, or in case of plants it is division. Then class, order, family, genus, species. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 taxonomical categories or taxa. And their arrangement, it is known as hierarchy of taxonomic categories or hierarchy of taxa. And you can also add one more. There are domain or super kingdom also. Super kingdom, or you can say domain. You can add one more. Up to your level, you have to study the characteristic features which are associated with these, which I was talking about. The characteristic features of these all taxonomic categories, and how they help us to classify living organisms into particular taxa or into particular category. We will deal with these categories in the next video. Thank you.